Hi, today we're looking at the Compact Travel Universal Cable Organizer by BAGSMART. We can see that the bag is secured by a strap on the front. If we undo that strap and open, the first thing we see are 3 cable storage loops, where each loop is designed so that the cables can be removed from their secure straps and used, then returned to their position without taking them out of the bag. In the second compartment, we have a Velcro pouch that's perfect for items such as an external hard drive. Putting the hard drive in and securing that pouch, we can see that at the bottom there's an opening so that your hard drive or other equipment can be used without taking it out of the bag. Finally, there are 3 elastic pouches for other miscellaneous items. We're going to be putting in a pair of headphones for easy access later. There's also a final compartment, a zippered pouch with enough room for things such as the slim battery pack. Zipping the pouch up and closing the bag, we re-secure the strap and see that everything is compactly stored. This is the Compact Travel Universal Cable Organizer by BAGSMART.